Hi, so I'm going to do a quick unboxing video. We're in the process of moving into the City of Elmira, and I thought it would be fun to fly an appropriate flag for our first month in our new house. And I contacted a young man named Alex who designed a flag for Elmira City, a proposed flag for Elmira City. And I ordered some specialized flags from China, and hopefully I'm going to get better than I paid for. We're going to take a look and see how these came out. I believe the company is called Anley, but I bought a lot of their flags. They're nice, inexpensive flags, but they're pretty good quality. We're just going to fly them for a month or so. So let's take a look at how this came out. And I think very, very nice. Haven't seen it from quite a long way away yet, but looks pretty good. We can see the design on both sides, and I think this is a beautiful flag. When I write about hanging it, I will say more about the design and whatnot, and I will also, for this, put Alex's videos about the flag. I'll link those below so you can look at those. And more coming soon. Thank you.